control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my.
Hey everyone. So I was craving some nut butter and I'm gonna make some. I got some nuts. So these are almonds, these are walnuts. I already had almond essence, pink Himalayan salt. I already had peanut butter oil, which I will be using, and I love cane sugar. I don't like white sugar. I don't like brown sugar anymore. I'm a cane sugar girly. But all of that to say, I went to the store yesterday thrice. I have forgot something. I had to go back. Then my husband came home and I said, boo, I forgot something else. So let's get started. So the first thing that you're gonna do is roast your nuts. So I'm about to put my nuts on a baking sheet and a tray, and I'm going to roast them for 8 to 10 minutes at 350, and I'll show that process. So right here we have our baking tray with our baking sheet, and I'm about to open my nuts. These nuts.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Oh no. These are already pre-sliced almonds. I love almonds. I'm gonna, wow. Pretty good. Your walnuts. Okay guys, so it is 12 o'clock on the dot, and I'm gonna roast them for 8 to 10 minutes. So when they say between a number and another, I like to do the middle. So we're gonna keep it in for 9 minutes. All right, so it's been 9 minutes and I'm about to take them out of the oven right now. I am going for the nuts now. Roasted and ready to go. So I'm gonna let them cool off a little bit. And then, ooh, they look so good. They look toasted. So I'm gonna let them cool off a little bit before I start to blend. So look at them, mixed nuts. These nuts.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
Hey, someone came in to see what we're up to. I'm about to make some nut butter. Woo! Okay guys, so we're gonna start blending. Everything is right here. So I'm gonna add some MSG to my puree because MSG is a flavor enhancer, just a speck so that it can enhance that scent. MSG bae. Hey. Clock it. Okay, y'all, I'm also gonna add a little bit of coconut milk to the consistency so that it can be a little more creamy because the blender is acting like it's too much solids and not enough liquids. So we are switching blenders because the big one, I'm not sure why it was acting up on me. Good thing. Okay, y'all, so I have finished blending. This was a very hard task. Oh my god, I'm ready to glass it. So ooh, look at the consistency though. Okay, so we're about to put them in a mason jar. And yeah, all right, y'all, so make sure you get yourself one of these. I'm gonna put it in this mason jar and I'm gonna show y'all the process. And yeah, so this is my peanut butter, y'all. It's thick. Look at that. I'm gonna try some. Okay. This is my peanut butter, y'all. I'm so proud. Ooh, one more touch to this. Okay, so y'all, in college, I had my own pizza business during COVID, and I still have all these stickers that I used to add to people's pizza boxes. So it says Nova Pizza. I have a pizza page, and I make pizzas still, but I haven't sold any since college because I'm in a whole new town and all of those things. But I'm adding my sticker on. This makes it so official. Nova Pizza's very own peanut butter. Nova Peanuts. These nuts.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
They were so good. I still want some more. Look at that. Magnifique. So I am going to link the recipe down below. I'm going to link the recipe down below. And I also want to make jam. I have mixed berries. I'm going to make mixed berry jam. And then I want to bake bread from scratch. So everything is scratch in this house. I'm a Manora Smith vibe. But Ananda Brandy, Nova Bliss. I'm my Nova Bliss vibe. Nova Pizza's making peanut butter. Period. Pooh. So I'll see you guys in my jam video. And then bread video. And of course the last video is going to be peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Even though it's not peanut butter. Nut butter and jam sandwich. So yeah. Bye. Homemade nut butter. Homemade nut butter by NovaBliss. Hey, do you have some spare nuts that you aren't using? Well, call me the nut processor. I'll make those nuts into any nut butter.